Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Skills Jobs. Friends, in this video I will tell you how to download and install Windows 10 on your mobile phone. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store in your mobile phone. Now search here Windows Emulator. Now install the second application Win7 Simo. I already installed this application. After installing this application, open it. This is very similar to Windows operating system. So this is Windows 11 interface. You can change this interface into Windows 7, 8, 10 or 8.1. For changing the interface, click on the screen of your mobile phone. Now click personalize. Now maximize this. Scroll down and here you will find the options of Windows 7, 8.8, 8.1, Windows 11, Windows 10. I am changing this interface into Windows 10. Now close the ad. As you can see that my interface is now converted into Windows 10. So here you will find some options like calculator, camera, notepad, sticky notes, and here you also have paint and games. You can also run Chrome on this Windows interface. You can also use mouse and keyboard on your mobile phones to enhance the experience of the Windows operating system on your mobile phone. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.